Does everything stick to your pan? Even your non-stick pan starting to get sticky? Pans that scratch and pans that warp? Well, not anymore. Voted Product of the Year in cookware, Copper Chef's introducing Copper Chef Diamond. Copper Chef is now infused with thousands of real cultured diamond particles. Through this microscope, you can see them fused to our Ceramutech coating. Now it's 33% harder and 85% more non-stick. Everything slides out like it's cooking on air. No butter, no oil. And the real test? Salmon, skinned down in 6 leading non-stick pans. Copper Chef Diamond is the only one whose fish got away. The new Diamond Matrix 3D base creates micro air pockets between your food and the pan surface, so food instantly releases and slides like it's cooking on air. Burnt ketchup? Not a problem. Even torched sauce to the outside of the pan wipes clean like new. It heats 30% faster. Sear steak like the pros and finish in your oven. It's heat-proof up to 850 degrees. Perfect for making cheesy nachos. Look, both these pans are 10 inches, but this one has a tiny cooking surface. Copper Diamond eats it up. This pan makes it look like there's an induction plate, but it's not. Copper Diamond has a stainless steel induction plate for rapid, even heating and cooking on any surface. Copper Chef Diamond is dishwasher safe.